What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about Scrambly once again. And because we are talking about Scrambly, I just want to show and tell everybody how they can easily earn up to $30 within your first week. Now, I've been playing for probably 10 days now. I've earned over $30. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video. For those of you who've already seen the first video, you've seen me cash out and you've seen me review Scrambly, and a lot of you have not heard of Scrambly before. So if you have not watched that video, go watch the first Scrambly video. But this Scrambly video is basically just gonna add on to what I did for the first video, and basically I played for a few more days and I was able to get more money. So I think in the first video I only cashed out like $3, and in this video I'm gonna cash out probably three to four different other times, and it's all gonna be a total of $30 or more. So let's jump into it. All right, so we are on the Scrambly app. As you can see, I have $23. I've been on the app for 9 days now, and we are going to cash out. I got 2 withdrawals so far, which are from the first video, and that was only like $3 the first time. So let's cash out. We're going to cash out 20 bucks. And all right, it's gonna take you to tremendous.com, where it's then gonna ask you to click redeem. You're gonna click PayPal, and then you're gonna enter your PayPal email. This is the email that is associated with your PayPal. That way they can send you the money. Then you click redeem, and you wait for this little circle to load, but basically it's processing and sending your money. And this is $20 for Scrambly. All right. And that's basically how easy it is. Go to withdrawals and it'll show you $20. You can also click redeem from here if you don't redeem them. Like, you can request them and then redeem them later. They also give you affiliate boosts sometimes, and then you can apply the codes in there, and basically it boosts your affiliate earnings when people sign up. All right, so we're gonna cash out the rest of this money, basically $2, and it's gonna be the same process as it was the other 3 times. Take you to Tremendous, where you hit redeem, you hit PayPal, and again you enter your PayPal email that's associated with your PayPal, and you wait once again for the processing, and once it's done, then that is it. And that is basically it. Cashed out basically $23 this time, and we are going to cash out again here later within this video. So as you can see, I've already cashed out 4 different times. So we got $11.76, and we're cashing out once again. This is actually recorded a few days later, and we're cashing out $10. got it requested, taking me to Tremendous, just like before. And you hit PayPal, and then you enter your PayPal email that's associated with your PayPal and confirm it, and then you hit redeem. You wait for it to process, and it also sends you emails so that you can confirm that you actually received the money. So Scrambly will send you an email, and PayPal also sends you an email to confirm the payment was sent. And if you go to earnings, you can see I have all these earnings. Some were from referrals, but most were from basically just playing games. And the withdrawals, as you can see, I've withdrawn 5 different times, over $30. Really don't have any secret tips or tricks to earn like this. Basically what you need to do is, it's no secret, but what you need to do basically is you need to play the games normally, like you normally do. Now, sometimes Scrambly will pop up and say, hey, well, this game, we're going to give you a boost on this game. So whatever you earn on this game for the next 4 hours is going to be doubled. So they're right there. They're doubling the money that you're going to earn within one of your games or something like that. Or they'll come up and say, hey, well, there's a challenge for this weekend, and you can get up to 18,000 coins or something like that. And then you do the challenge, and then they give you the coins. I did do a little challenge, and I only got like 20 cents because I only got some of the challenges completed. There's like a bunch of little challenges, and the further you go, the more money that you get. But I only got like 20 cents, which is not bad, really, because 20 cents for, a few minutes is better than 20 cents every 3 hours on Just Play, in my opinion. But basically, the challenges will pay out a lot and things like that. They have challenges, but basically, in order to earn that $30 a week, basically what I did was, since I had already earned like a balance through Scrambly, I used that balance basically, and I made purchases on games through Scrambly because they have that cash back feature. And so every time you spend money in that game, you get a certain amount of money. So when I spent, say, $7 in one of those games, every purchase I was getting like $3 back or something, or every $2 purchase was $1.50 back. Yeah, I was losing money, but all in all, I was making more money because I was playing the games like regular, and I was spending a little bit of money to get cash back, and to because some of the requirements was to make purchases, and then they gave you money for that, but they also gave you cash back to make the purchases. So that's what I'm talking about. So basically, all in all, I wasn't really losing money. I might have been losing a little bit, no more than like $1 every time I was doing it. And so I just did this, and that's how I earned. And I did earn a little bit from referrals and things like that from the first video. But if you're watching this video and you want to sign up for Scrambly, you can sign up with the links in my description of this video. And when you cash out your first time, you will get $5 after you cash out your first time. And so the first review video on Scrambly that I did the other day, basically has everything else that you need to know about Scrambly in it. I just wanted to make this video to show you that it is possible to make more than $1, $2, or even $3 on Scrambly. If I can easily do it and show you that it works and be fully transparent about it, you know, I don't really have anything else to tell you. It's pretty easy. You basically just need to put the time in and play some of the games. Like I said, the purchasing is optional, but if you know what you're doing, you're gonna earn more money from it. I'd take advantage of that, and just try to find some games that you really like to play, rather than just some games that are gonna pay you a lot of money. Because if you like a game, that money's already gonna come with it, you know. So you're already playing a game that you like to play, and you're gonna get some money for it as well, versus playing a game you don't normally play or like and not having a good time while playing it and earning, you know, probably less. So that being said, I hope you guys like this video for today, and I'll see each and every one of you in the next new video. Peace.